Hi everyone and welcome back. So in this video it's just going to be a quick short video just to show you guys what my makeup removal routine kind of looks like, because there's something I want to show you guys. I never used this and I never thought of using this, but because it's a part of the brand that I use for my skincare, I reckon, you know what, just get it and see how it does and see what it does on your skin, if it helps your skin at all. And I was like totally shocked when I started using this. I've never been one for micellar waters. Like when they literally came out, I can't remember how young I was, but I bought one and I don't know, I didn't feel it. But I did post a while ago that I use these cloths just to try and avoid and eliminate too much products. But when I started using the micellar water, I was like I can't afford to not use it because there's so much product still left on your skin irregardless of what you use. So I'm going to show you guys, this is a wet cloth. I'm just going to quickly start wiping it off. Back to reality. Oh my goodness. It's really bad, I know, but you know what, it is what it is. I don't really, I wouldn't say I don't care. It's just that, you know what, I love doing makeup and I know what makeup can do for me, so I'm not really too bothered. But oh my word, this is the time of the day that I actually hate the most, when I do take my makeup off, because it's back to reality for me then, because this is what's going on underneath all of that foundation. And what I love about these cloths is, like, literally your makeup literally just wipes off with just water. Anyway, so yeah, what I've always used, not always, recently used these cloths. But like I said, when I started using the micellar water, I actually got a fright to see how much products are still left, because usually when I wipe my skin after I cleanse with my normal cleansing routine, there's nothing on the towels. So I reckon, like, it's pretty good, pretty clean. No, it's not. Oh, I look like a reverse raccoon. I'm not gonna go hectic on the eyes now, because that's a slip on its own. But I just want to show you guys how much product is actually still left on your skin after you've even used something like this, something heavy duty like this. Not heavy duty, but like for the main purpose of removing makeup. And always remember, just gentle on the eyes, eh? Gentle on the eyes. So I'm gonna clean this up properly later, not now. I want to quickly show you guys the micellar water. And what's lucky for me, I've come to really love Uriage as a skincare brand for me, because it was what my dermatologist recommended. And when I saw that they brought out this micellar water, I was like, let's just try it, because it's part of the range that I'm using. I'm using the Rosacea range. So luckily for me, I have the opportunity to use this type of product with my skin situation. So I don't need to stress about, oh, my skin is going to flare. Or it might sometimes happen that you use a product that's in the skincare range that you use, and it maybe just doesn't accommodate with you. But it's trial and error. It really is trial and error. I just want to wipe majority away so it doesn't interfere with the what I want to show you guys. Okay, so that's majority of my makeup off. I'm just gonna take a cotton pad like that. This is the Uriage Micellar water, and I basically just dampen up half of the cotton pad, and I go through maybe 2, depending how good of a job I did with the face cloths. Not genoeg. So you just basically go ahead, and then you, before I start, you see it's white, it's clean, it's just wet. Here we go. So I usually just start from the top, because yeah, I find it's the most dry, so I try and clean there first so that it dries up, and I can go ahead with my normal skin routine and everything just draws in a bit better there. But yeah, I just always start there. And I also find around my cheek area and nose areas where a lot of the product stays behind, so that's usually my second place where I go to. And it looks like I'm very, like, not too what's the word? Oh my goodness, I'm mixing up these languages now. It's like I'm not too vigorous on my skin. It looks like I am, but I'm really not. It's just that this is the only type of exfoliation that I dare do on my skin. I'm too scared to go for any, like, anything abrasive, use anything abrasive on my skin. So I don't mind going in like this, because that's the only the only thing that I actually have for my skin to be exfoliating. So okay, so I've got over majority of my skin now. I'm gonna show you what was left. This is basically what was still left on my skin. So yeah, if you ever feel that you need something a little bit extra, if you feel that you don't feel really like completely clean after makeup or after a day, I really would think of using something like a micellar water, but always remember, rinse it off. Start with this first, and then you go through your skin routine, because yeah, it's something new for me, and I'd rather don't want it to be left there. Like, do what you need to do, and then we wash you off. But yeah, that's just my experience with the Uriage Micellar water. And I think this is really something very nice to have if you wear makeup on a daily basis, but you do have sensitive skin, because they have 2 varieties in the... This is the one for the sensitive, intolerant skin, actually. They have 2. They have the normal one that's fragrance, and this one is a fragrance-free one. They also have just the normal one that comes in a blue bottle as well. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to be going without this one very time soon. But yeah. So if you guys want to see any more of these types of videos, you know, I'm going to be posting all of these types of videos. You're more than welcome to click subscribe, and then you will see all of the videos I'm going to be posting in the future. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Elsie, and I'm posting as RedBlend Rosacea.